People judge your book by its cover. That is just a fact. But if you have ever tried to make an AI generate a book cover, you know it usually spits out melted letters, blurry text, and misspelled author names. Today, that changes. Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at the Book Cover AI Toolkit. My quick verdict: if you publish books, create lead magnets, or sell courses, you need this. It finally solves the AI text problem, it uses free AI tools, and it comes with full private label rights, so you can even resell it. Make sure to click the link in the description to secure this alongside my massive custom bonus package before the timer runs out. So what exactly is the Book Cover AI Toolkit? It is a simple tool that turns your plain English ideas into a perfectly structured JSON prompt. You see, AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini are finally getting good at rendering text, but only if you give them the perfect instructions. If you just type a vague idea, you get a generic cover. This toolkit takes your basic book description and codes it into a master prompt that forces the AI to give you a crisp, professional cover with your exact title and name spelled perfectly. The main front-end offer is just $17, which is a steal since it includes full PLR rights, but there are a few optional upgrades to speed things up even more. Upgrade 1 is $27 and gives you 100 done-for-you premium prompts for fiction genres. You just copy, paste, and render. Upgrade 2 is $27 and is the prompt remixer for fiction. It gives you over 800 prompt blocks so you can mix and match lighting, styles, and layouts. Upgrade 3 is $27 and gives you 100 done-for-you prompts specifically for nonfiction books, like business guides and lead magnets. Upgrade 4 is $27 and provides 800 prompt blocks tailored for nonfiction covers. All upgrades also include full private label rights. If you pick this up through my link below, you are not just getting the toolkit, you are getting the App Verdict Mega Bonus Bundle. I've put together an exclusive vault of 10 high-value tools to help you get traffic and make sales. Bonus 1 is WP Slideshow Master to create high-impact presentations. Bonus 2 is Lead Book Generator to instantly pull leads from Facebook directly to your list. Bonus 3 is WP Email Timer Plus to add urgency countdowns inside your emails. Bonus 4 is Video Biz in a Box, letting you easily build automated video sites. Bonus 5 is WP Checkout Maximizer to stop cart abandonment and boost your conversions. Bonus 6 is Soci Ultima, an all-in-one social media tool to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 7 is FB Viral Turbo Machine, forcing your visitors to share your links to unlock content. Bonus 8 gives you 100 ready-made niche blogs so you can dominate search engines. Bonus 9 is WP Cash-O-Matic to quickly build high-converting product pages. And Bonus 10 is Commission Fire, a complete blueprint for generating massive affiliate commissions. You get all of these instantly when you buy through the link below. The Book Cover AI Toolkit pays for itself the first time you use it. Whether you want to save hundreds of dollars on your own covers, start a freelance design gig, or just resell the software using the PLR license, it's a no-brainer. But you need to act fast. My App Verdict bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your copy and claim all 10 bonuses. Thank you for watching this review on App Verdict. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Click the link below to get started, and your bonuses will be waiting for you instantly inside your Warrior Plus receipt. See you in the next one.